Okay, so now once we have this particular form with us, let's see how we could reset the password. So let's first go to the admin panel. So let's log in the admin panel here, and if I go to users, you will be able to find that if you click on the user, you will actually have the email address associated with that user. So whenever you have to reset the password for this user, you have to make use of this email address right here. So let's try doing that and let's see what happens. So I've typed in the email address up over here, and now if I click on submit, as you can see, it says CSRF token is missing. So let's see what exactly went wrong. So I'll go back to VS Code. I'll go back here. We do have a token here, but for some reason the form isn't working. Okay, so when we submit this particular form, what should technically happen is that we should be able to get a specific message in the back end. So when we type this email over here and when we click on submit, we should actually get a password reset link in the email. But as I earlier mentioned, as we are not running a real web app here in Django, what we need to do is that we need to log the password reset link in the console itself. And in order to do that, you need to go to VS Code. And in here you need to go to the settings.py file of your main app, and here you actually need to set up the email backend. So here you need to say email backend equals, and that should actually point to the console here. So here you need to say django.co.mail.backends.console.email backend, and what this does is that it basically is going to log the password reset link into the console. So let's see if that actually works. So let's go back here. Let's visit this URL. Let's type in the email, and when I click submit, it says no reverse match found at password reset confirm. And we are getting this error because we are yet to set a couple of more templates. So this particular password reset process is not a simple process. So when you click on the submit button, technically you should actually get a message which says that the password reset link has been sent. And in order to set that thing up, what you need to do is that you need to set up another view which is called as the password reset done view, which basically tells you that okay, the password reset process has been started and you have been mailed or you have been console logged the password reset link. So in order to add that, first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to VS Code, go to the urls.py file, and here you need to add a path, and this path is actually going to be something like password reset /done. And this is also going to be an auth view, which is a built-in auth view, and here you need to type in password reset done view, and this needs to have an as view, and we are also going to pass in a template to this as well. So the template underscore name is going to be empty for now because we have not yet created the template. But then again, the name of this view is going to be nothing but it's going to be password reset done. Give a comma at the end and we should be good to go. Now let's create the template, which is nothing but password reset done template. So let's go to the templates file here and let's create a new template. Let's call it as password reset done.html, and this is going to say something like, let's say we have mailed you the password reset link, and we won't be adding anything fancy here so as to keep things simple, but still let's go ahead and let's extend from the base.html. So let's make use of some code which we have here. So let's use that. Let's also use the end block from here. Okay, so once we have added this template, let's go to the urls.py file, and in here let's add the template name as password reset done.html, and make sure that you actually refer to this thing from the users app. So hopefully that thing is correct. Okay, so now let's get back. Let's try adding some email and let's see what do we get. Okay, so when I click submit, it again gives us the same error, and that's because now when we actually need to get the password reset link, we must also configure the view which is password reset confirm view and associate it with password reset confirm URL. But the problem now we are getting is that we have not yet configured the password reset confirm URL, and we actually have to do that very soon. So in the next lecture, let's go ahead and let's set up this particular password reset confirm view and also set up the template which is associated with it. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.